Yo, Apollo, how come there's so many Little Caesars pizza places in Detroit? Yo, I never seen so many Little Caesars. Yo, you remember that movie with Wesley Snipes and Sylvester Stallone? The you know, Demolition Man. Remember when the whole everything turned into Taco Bell? Yo, so in that movie, The Demolition Man, when the whole world ended, every restaurant became Taco Bell. That's how I feel like in Detroit, everything is Little Caesars. Every pizza place is Little Caesars, yo. I'm like, yo, how come it's so grandma? I said, Apollo, take me to get some good food. You know what he tried to take me to? Little Caesars. Little Caesars. Man, I ain't going to no goddamn. Yo, it's freezing out here, Detroit. How y'all do this? Whew. I don't know how y'all do it, Apollo. It's freezing.